Hi, my name is Brian. I'm going to show you how to use Google Sheets, which is a pretty handy, easy replacement instead of having Microsoft Office Excel. So what I've done is I've just filled up a spreadsheet here with some numbers that don't mean anything to replicate some of the things that I've used fairly frequently in my experience with Excel. So I've got a bunch of different categories of here for expenses, and I've got totals of by day, and like each individual item gets its own line, even if it's on the same day, so that we can categorize things. The first thing you want to do is figure out what the grand total is for this total amount of time. So we're just going to do a quick sum. Now that we got a fairly large amount there. Now you can keep that, or you can. I'm just going to get rid of it for now. Now what we're going to do is visualize this data with a chart. So we're going to make this a pie chart. Of course, the label we want is categories. We're going to do B2 through B7. And the data range, let's go ahead and make this the total amount. 7. I don't need a second one. Oh, actually, silly me. I do need one. 2, 3, 7. There we go. So what we have here is right now it's listing each individual line as its own category. So even though you got two printings, it's showing up as two different sections. Now, if we want to make it total everything, we just hit this button here that says aggregate. And now we've got bank fees as 1 instead of the 2 over here, and printing as 1 instead of 2. You can also see this happen in real time. I've added this one that was just kind of extraneous for a large amount, so you can easily see the change that happens when I delete it. Automatically shows you now printing is the majority here instead of it being more evenly split. Now, the other thing that I've done on this side is I put totals in for daily expense totals. Again, these numbers don't mean anything. So we have a total amount spent for each day, and down here is a drop-down list. You can select the date, so you can easily see the total, $11.14, $47, $11.14, $47. And the way that we get it to do this is you use VLOOKUP. So this is the first one. This is the sort of trigger point. And then we've got the range here, A1 through B30. You're choosing from the second column, so that's the B, that's the data it's going to pull from. For instance, if I choose 1118, it doesn't show anything because there's nothing in the field. But if I put 15 in there, now it shows up as 15 down here. Let's go back to this one. So let's undo our deletion. Now we got this back. Now we can also visualize this as different charts. Yeah, that's one way to visualize it as well. And again, if we want to delete that, if it let me, there it is. We can see that that pops up again as the most expensive one. And then there's bank fees again that is suddenly, oh, we got to aggregate that. There it is. So yeah, those are some basic functions in Excel that I've used pretty frequently. And it's a really powerful tool. I mean, everyone should know how to use Excel, especially for tracking expenses or even tracking things like personnel records. And it's a really fantastically helpful tool. Thank you so much for watching.